Hello student, today we are going to solve find the value of k for which the following quadratic equation has real and distinct roots. First question, 2x square plus kx plus 1 equal to 0. As you know that this is a quadratic equation. The given quadratic equation is 2x square plus kx plus 1 equal to 0. Here the coefficient x square is 2, which is a equal to 2. The coefficient of x is k, which is b equal to k, and the constant term c is equal to 1. As you know that for real and distinct roots d greater than 0, where d is discriminant of the quadratic equation. So where d is equal to b square minus 4ac, so it becomes d square minus 4ac greater than 0. Now putting the value of a, b, c, we have here value of b is k, so k square minus 4 into, and the value of a is 2 and c is 1, so 4 into 2 into 1 greater than 0. It gives k square minus 8 greater than 0. Here you see that this is the form of a square minus b square, so it is written as k minus 2 under root 2 into k plus 2 under root 2 greater than 0. Now apply the result. As you know that if x square minus a square greater than 0, this implies that x less than minus a or x greater than a. So apply this result. We have k less than minus 2 under root 2 or k greater than 2 under root 2. So this is our required result. Thank you. Question number 3. Find the value of k for which the following quadratic equation has real and distinct root, and the equation is ax square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So here a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1. For real and distinct roots we have d greater than 0. Further we know that d is equal to b square minus 4ac, so it becomes b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Or this implies that minus 3 whole square minus 4 into k into 1 greater than 0. It gives 9 minus 4k greater than 0. Or on taking minus common we have 4k minus 9 greater than 0. And multiply negative sign both sides we have 4k minus 9. It becomes plus, I equal to must be changed less than 0, or 4k less than 9, or k is less than 9 by 4. This is our required solution. Now question 4. Find the value of k for which the following quadratic equation, which is kx into x plus 1 plus 2 equal to 0, had real and distinct root. As you know that the given quadratic equation is kx into x plus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. First of all, write into standard form. So we multiply kx into this bracket. We have kx into x square plus kx into 1 gives kx plus 3 equal to 0. Here we see that the coefficient x square is k, so a is equal to k. The coefficient x is k, so b equal to k, and the constant term is 3, so we have c is equal to 3. For real and distinct roots we have d greater than 0 implies that d square minus 4ac greater than 0. Now the value of b is k, so we have k square minus 4 into a means k, and c is 3 greater than 0. Here we see that k and 4 into k into 3 is 12k. So we have k square minus 12k greater than 0. And taking k as a common, it becomes k minus 12 greater than 0. So we have the roots are here. K is equal to 0, k is equal to 12. So we may write this implies that k less than 0 or k greater than 12. Because if you draw a number line at the roots, यहाँ से k का मान अगर हम इसका रूट्स निकालते हैं, it gives k equal to 0, k equal to 12, 0 और 12. और आपने नंबर लाइन देखा होगा, इस इंटरवल में प्लस होता है k की वैल्यू, इस इंटरवल में माइनस आएगा, इस इक्वलिटी रखने पे इसमें प्लस आएगा. So we can say that the value of k is less than 0 or k is greater than 12. So this is our required solution. Question 3. Find the value of k for which the given quadratic equation x square minus k plus 3 equal to 0 has real and distinct root. So here the given quadratic equation a is equal to 1 because the coefficient x square is 1 b is equal to minus k, since the coefficient x is minus k and c is equal to 3. Here constant term is 3. Now for real and distinct roots we have d greater than 0. आप जानते हैं इसको, अगर रियल रूट्स होता इट बिकम्स d लेस r सॉरी d ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 0, अगर नॉन रियल रूट्स होता इट बिकम d लेस देन 0. तो बी रिमेंबर रियल डिस्टिंक्ट रूट्स के लिए हमेशा ग्रेटर देन साइन लगाओगे. दिस इंप्लाइज दैट b स्क्वायर minus 4 is greater than 0. This implies that value of b is minus k, so it becomes a का होल minus k का होल स्क्वायर 4 into a 1 है, c 3 है और ग्रेटर देन 0. It becomes a square minus 4 into 1 into 3 is 12 ग्रेटर देन 0. इसको आप ऐसे देखो a स्क्वायर माइनस 12 अंडर 12 इट मींस 2 अंडर 3 का होल स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन 0. So it is form of a minus b into a plus b. So we have a minus 2 under root 3 into a plus 2 under root 3 greater than 0. Now apply this result. Whenever x square minus a square greater than 0, it becomes x less than minus a. So it becomes a less than minus 2 under root 3 or k greater than 2 under root 3. So this is our required solution. Thank you. Find the value of k for which the following quadratic equation 3x square plus 2x plus k equal to 0 has real and distinct root. So solution to the given quadratic equation 3x square plus 2x plus k equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is 3, so a is equal to 3. The coefficient of x is 2, so b equal to 2, and the constant term is k, so here k is c equal to 3. As you know that for real and distinct roots we have d greater than 0, where d is discriminant of the given quadratic equation. Further, we know that d is equal to b square minus 4ac, so it becomes b square minus 4ac greater than 0. So this implies 2 का होल स्क्वायर minus 4 into 3 into k greater than 0. This becomes 4 minus 12k greater than 0. On taking 4 minus 4 as a common, we have 3k minus 1 greater than 0. Actually, we remember the sign of variable must be positive. So, on taking minus 4, common is it becomes 3k and it becomes minus 1. From the next line, on dividing minus 4 in both terms, दोनों तरफ यहाँ भी डिवाइड करें, तो it becomes 3k minus 1 and the inequality must be changed. It is greater than sign, so we have less than sign, and 0 पर minus 1 also gives 0. This implies यहाँ minus 1 है, दोनों तरफ प्लस 1 ऐड करो, we have 3k less than 1. This implies k less than 1 by 2. So this is our required solution. Thank you.